Hello everyone, today we have a 2019 Tesla Model 3. This is a long range and all-wheel drive, so it's a dual motor. Love this honeycomb pattern. And I also love this pearl color. It's gorgeous, especially on days like today with blue skies. Let's have the panoramic glass roof. And the alloy wheels. It does also have a lot of trunk space. I absolutely love those wheels. I also have the silver brake calipers. Give me a shot of those. And I'll take you for a tour of the interior. It is a white Tesla vegan leather interior. They do have two USB chargers in the back for the back seats. There's your Model 3 branding. And right here you've got your VIN. Okay, so you'll be able to hear me better. I'll just go ahead and turn this down. Then I'll turn the music down. Okay, all right. So I'm gonna go up a little bit more than that. It is really hot today. Just so you know, you can also bounce to your heated seats right here, and you can heat up as many seats as you want, front, back, and there we go. If you take a look here, while everything's trying to pop up, here's the navigation. There's your stereo. We can do AM, FM, karaoke, XM, all that kind of great stuff. Tesla's amazing on that. Okay, if you want to come over here, you can see your backup camera without going into reverse. Or you can obviously just put it into reverse, and then you get the guidelines. Okay, then you come over here to your energy consumption map. Your charging, it says we have 87 miles left on this charge. Okay, and then your web, we're not connected to the internet right now, but you also have that. There's your arcade and your theater. Again, you'd have to be connected to watch Netflix or something like that. And then you've got your toy box with all that kind of fun stuff in it, with your romantic ambiance and all that kind of great stuff. So we're going to go ahead and close that up and take you for a tour of the main controls. Here are your quick controls with your lights, your mirrors. You can fold those in. It will, when you lock the doors, they will also unfold. Your lights, locks, display, driving, your Autopilot. It does have your Autosteer and your navigate on Autopilot, the beta versions of that available. So this is also where you see your full self-drive, forward collision warning. I like mine early, and then your blind spot collision warning and all that kind of stuff. Let's see, we're on to navigation, safety and security, service, and your software. This is a very important screen because it shows you have a Model 3. It is a long range dual motor, and it only has 1,054 miles on it. It also shows your VIN. Full self-driving capability and standard connectivity are included. And you also have the premium audio system, full self-driving computer, and that about sums it up for this vehicle. It did have an impact. It's up here up front. Turned out to just be cosmetic damage, so we were able to get it all fixed up. It has passed our 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. We are the largest Tesla reseller here in the area. So for more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.